Now let us take up the structure. Mitochondria is a double unit membranous structure. It consists of an outer and inner membrane. Outer membrane is smooth and made up of lipoproteins. It bears many non-stalked particles. These particles are also called as subunits of Parsons. Inner membrane is selectively permeable in comparison to outer membrane. Many types of enzymes are present in the inner membrane and they are involved in ATP synthesis, which you can call it as oxidative phosphorylation. Inner membrane is folded into a number of finger-like structure, which you call it as cristae. Cristae are tubular, finger-like, but in fungi, these cristae are plate-like. Now you can see the section of the mitochondria. You can see the outer and the inner membrane, and you can see the intermembrane space between outer and inner, matrix, DNA, ribosome, and of course these tennis racket-like bodies, which you call it as F0 or F1 particles, and these cristae. Inner membrane have electron acceptors arranged in a definite sequence and form electron transport system, that is ETS. Inner membrane is studded with pinhead particles. You can call it as tennis racket-like bodies, and the other name is oxysomes or elementary particles or F1 particles or subunits of Fernandez-Morin. The total number of these particles per mitochondria ranges between 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 5. Each F1 particle consists of three parts: basal plate, stalk, and head. ATP synthesis occurs in the head region of oxysome because here you will find the ATPase enzyme is present. Both membranes separated by outer chamber or perimitochondrial space, and it is between 80 to 100 angstrom. This space is rich in coenzymes and enzymes required for the oxidation of fats. Inner chamber enclosed by inner membrane, which consists of matrix. Mitochondrial matrix have majority of enzyme, that comes to about 70% of the total enzyme, and these are involved in the Krebs cycle. Besides these enzymes, matrix have a complete protein synthesis apparatus. It contains mitochondrial DNA, RNA, and ribosomes. Now you can see this inside the mitochondria. Here you can see that ATP synthesis is taking place in the F1 particles. Then you can see beta oxidation, Krebs cycle is operating, and on the other side you can see these tennis racket-like bodies, which you call it as oxysomes, arranged on the cristae, consisting of three parts: basal piece, stalk, and head. And head is connected with the synthesis of ATP. Mitochondrial DNA is circular or double-stranded circular molecule, and it has high guanine and cytosine content. Mitochondrial DNA can code the synthesis of 10 different types of proteins. It contains enzymes for application and transcription of DNA, like DNA polymerase and RNA polymerase. In mitochondria, 70S type of ribosomes are present, which are referred as mitoribosomes. And here you can see the mitochondrial genome, which has 16,548 base pairs. It's a circular molecule of DNA. Functions of the mitochondria. Cell oxidation. Mitochondria plays an important role in ATP synthesis during aerobic respiration. As you have seen, the Krebs cycle is operating in the matrix of the mitochondria. And that is why mitochondria are also referred as powerhouse of the cell, because they store energy in form of ATP. Golgi apparatus, also known as Dalton complex, Golgi complex, lipochondrion, rich in lipids, and dictyosome. The plant Golgi complex is called as dictyosome. Golgi body was first observed by L.S. George, discovered by Camillo Golgi. 1898. He was an Italian neurologist, observed in the nerve cells of cat and mouse, and he called it as internal reticular apparatus. Golgi in plant is known as lipochondrion. Golgi body present in all eukaryotes but absent in mature red blood cells of mammals, sieve tubes, bryophytes, etc. Structure. Golgi body consists of cisternae. These are plate-like unbranched structure with dilated ends, and one Golgi body has 4 to 8 cisternae. Monocisternal Golgi body is present in fungi, and each cisternae have 2 faces. Convex surface of cisternae, which is towards the nucleus, is called cis phase or forming phase, and it helps in absorbing chemicals in the form of vesicles. Here is the Golgi apparatus. Concave surface of cisternae, which is towards the plasma membrane, is called transphase or maturing phase. Golgi body secretes chemicals through this surface in the form of vesicles. Tubules, branch and anastomosing tubules associated with cisternae. Tubules connect cisternae to each other. Vacuoles, large spherical structure associated with tubules. Now here you can see the trans phase, then you can see the cis phase, secretory vesicles, and the incoming transport vesicles, lumen. Vesicles. Spherical structures arise by budding from tubules. Vesicles are filled with secretory material. Around the Golgi body, cell organelles, ribosomes are absent, and this region is referred as zone of exclusion. Enzymes associated with Golgi bodies are transferase, adenosine diphosphatase, thymine phosphatase, glucose 6-phosphatase. But thymine phosphatase is considered to be the marker enzyme of the Golgi body. Functions. Cell secretion. Golgi body is concerned with the secretion, that is export of macromolecule. Secretion involves 3 steps. Number 1, Golgi body receives the materials to be secreted from endoplasmic reticulum through its cis phase. ER supplies proteins and lipids to the Golgi body. Next, materials received from endoplasmic reticulum are chemically modified by Golgi body. Say, for example, glycosidation of proteins and lipids takes place in the Golgi body, and it results in the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Formation of lysosome. It is the collective function of Golgi body and endoplasmic reticulum. You can see the secretory vesicle, cisternae, the Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes. Then you have the early endosomes, late endosomes. Synthesis of cell wall material, that is polysaccharide synthesis. Cell plate formation. Golgi body helps in the cell plate formation, and the vesicles of Golgi body, fragments of ER and fragments of spindle fibers are involved. That is the phragmoplast. And here you can see how the cell wall formation is taking place and involving Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, and fragments of spindle fibers. Formation of middle lamina. Vesicles of Golgi body secrete the calcium and magnesium pectate that form the middle lamella between the 2 plant cells. Formation of acrosome, that is the head, during the spermatogenesis, and here you can see the acrosomal formation.